Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dears. Let's discuss conversational style. We will be discussing it briefly. Conversational style is a writing style that differs from customary contract prose, from the normal prose, the prose that is written formally. Instead of being formal and impersonal, it makes a contract sound more like a conversation. Instead of calling the parties by their official names or their roles, let alone calling them the party of the first part or the party of the second part, it can call them you and we or us. It is the style in which we speak language to each other. What problems does it solve? Contract readers can find conversational contract prose unfriendly and impersonal, even alienating. For some people, contract text seems to have been written by lawyers for lawyers. They may find that it is not intended for them, so decide not to read. If contracts remain unread, unintentional non-compliance and loss of rights may follow. Despite your best intention, if the contract makes your organization sound frightening or unfriendly, you may build mistrust. When to use conversational style? Conversational style has made its way to business to customer and employment contracts. But it does not have to be limited to those. It can be used in commercial and public sector contracting as well. It is especially suitable in contexts where negotiations take place among people who are not lawyers, familiar with conventional contract styles. The conventional contract styles are always formal. For example, when one of the parties is an SME or a startup. Why use it? Why should we use conversational style? Conversational style can help make contracts look and feel more straightforward and business friendly and less like legal weapons. Most of today's contracts and written documents are written in legal speak. They all look and feel the same, with no personality or humor found in them. If your organization wants to portray an image of someone who speaks and listens like humans do, you may find that adapting a conversational contract writing style can make a major difference. It can help you frame your relationship and their terms so that you stand out from the crowd in a good way. This is how it can give you benefits because the conversational style is more friendly, more straightforward, and it is just like we humans speak in day-to-day routines. Where to use it? Now, in contract documents, so it should be easy in understanding. Contract guides and playbooks, training materials, in meetings, in policies, and we'll be discussing here in literature. In literature, conversational style can be very beneficial sometimes because people might not find times in searching dictionaries and terms if they want to read your text. We know that panelity or panel style, it is something you should avoid. You should avoid cliches and common day-to-day speeches, but it is very necessary for writers to write in a language that is understandable by the common people because literature is written for the common people. And many, if you remember, romantics, their main focus was writing a poetry or writing literature in day-to-day speech in a common man's language. You have seen literature in this modern time. Most of the time, the dialogues, especially, they follow this conversational style. So it looks like we human are discussing, we human are acting in literature. So this is what conversational style is. Thank you for watching.